Hello viewers, today we will be going to learn how to make paper frog. It's also a terracotta form of artwork. Now for this, it's very often that I'm asking you to take a full A4 size paper and divide it with a breadth of 9 centimeters. I have already cut it from the main sheet, and when you get the full length of A4 size paper and a breadth of 9 centimeters, what you do, you divide it with 6 centimeters again from one side, and to the other side 5.5 centimeters. Now you can see the line over here. Just crease them out so that you can get a proper format for the construction form. Now every artwork which I am showing you here, that's all are getting the same format for this part of armature. Now when you get a crease form, you can see you join it together. When you join it together, you will get this part of format. Right? Now to make this part of format, this is a frog form, you need to crease where you have joined two ends of this paper. You can see the joining line over here, right? Now from just below that line, just crease, give pressure and crease. Now you can see the form has came. Now this is not actually, but now that will come up. Now what you do, you give a cut around 1.5 centimeters from both the sides. Now let us see. If you want to measure it. If you don't want, don't measure it. Approximate 50%. Now just fold it back. Once again you crease it up from here. See, wait, it's coming down. See, wait. If it's not going back properly, then make it crease over here at the back. That will not that. Okay. Now after this, you need to prepare for the legs, and for the legs, you need to, I have chosen now the dark shade of paper, like the black, 12 centimeters, and divided with 3 centimeters for the each part of leg, right? So you will get 4 legs, 3 and 12. Now and the breadth will be the 2.5 centimeters, right? Now I have already done so that I can reduce some time. But how to get this part of the form of legs? Now suppose, for example, I have taken the 6 centimeters long with 2.5 centimeters breadth. Just fold it from the mid and cut it like in mountain, like you can see you got, right? Nothing to do, only now you can see you got a pair of one part of legs. Take the liquid glue, apply at the bottom, and just place it right? Take the other one. Apply the liquid glue again. See? Now, the next will be the two front legs. Now, for example, you got other two legs also, and take a strip of paper and join it together. Join it together. This is what I have done, right? Now this is too long, so what you can do, you make it a shorter one. Cut it. Apply liquid glue. Crease it up so that will go and fit it up. You can see. Now that will, the next part will be the eyes. I have already made this part of eyes. You know, I have shown you how to make eyes in the previous video. You take different caps, different sizes. Don't paste it all together, just paste it. See, the upper part is left over. Now next is for the lips. For the lips, take a circulatory form of paper, bit more. See, take full circle of this form of the paper, crease it from the mid, leave bit of paper so that you can stick at the bottom. Make sure that it should be in the center and press it properly so that should not come up, because I'm using a liquid glue. Be careful of those things, otherwise that will make you disheartened. Now the next comes to the nose, and for the nose I've got bit of circulatory form of paper. I've cut it. You can also do it with scissors. It's not a big deal. Put in the center. Now, you can see this part of artwork making frog is finished. You can do it. It is very easy to make. Be careful of cutting and all, and please do us a comment how you like it or not, because that will give me an energy to make more good artwork and creative craft work for you all. Thank you from now. Wait for a new artwork next time.